Let's talk estimates. When people tell me that they want a ballpark estimate, I secretly want to say to them, which ballpark would you prefer? Fenway or Yankee Stadium? I'm just kidding, but there have been so many times in my career where homeowners ask for a ballpark price for their project. The reality is that most ballpark prices, they end up being nowhere close to the actual price of the project. I find the whole idea of ballpark pricing comical. I'm not saying that it doesn't have some value in some selling scenarios. I'm saying, however, that when contractors offer a ballpark price, more times than not they strike out rather than hit a home run. Charging for estimates is still a relatively new approach and one that is growing in our industry. I think it's really important for contractors and clients to understand the accurate estimating takes time. It's a professional service, and what professional doesn't charge for their services? I recognize most people in the industry probably would not agree that contractors should not charge, because many believe it would hurt business. Do I really want to waste hundreds of hours every year and lots of money for jobs that I'm not going to get? No. For me, I had to realize I didn't want to compete with other contractors for my work. I had to charge what I needed to charge to maintain my business and make my overhead and inventory. And estimating job costs take time, experience, and it is a professional service. On the other hand, many clients or contractors who tell prospective clients they don't charge for estimates are actually charging for their estimate as they recoup it through the cost of extras and markup, and they only get that if they sell the job. So the more meaningful conversation about the fact of an estimate is really just a guess. And it may not even have relevance to the true cost of what you would actually want to buy or what you're buying. And as a result, I'm willing to meet with my clients, discuss the projects, scour through plans and specifications so that I can give them a fixed price in place of an estimate. After all, what do most consumers really want? They want a fixed price for budgeting. So guys, here's the challenge. Do what I did and start small. Tell prospective clients that you charge $150, maybe $300, depending on the size of the project, for a 1-hour consultation. Use that word consultation because it sounds better than the word estimate. People are also accustomed to paying for consults. After all, you are consulting with them, and you might even be giving them design ideas or telling them that a wall is bearing. That's all based on your knowledge and experience that you've gleaned over the years. Some guys I know even charge 3% for a large job proposal. I'm not telling you to do that. You figure out what makes sense for you. Tell the client that your fee includes a written fixed proposal, and tell them that if they hire you, you'll credit that fee back toward the job. That's what I do. If they agree, here's the deal. You then need to turn around a written proposal quickly and professionally. Don't drag your feet and don't take 3 weeks. I initially thought I would lose business. I didn't. I stayed the same, and I gained more time to myself because I got rid of all those tire kickers that wasted a ton of my time. Try it for 1 month, see what happens. I did. It worked great, and I'm not looking back anymore. You might be surprised and never go back to free estimates again. We'll see. Let's get the comments going on this post, guys. I'd really, really like to hear from you guys what you do and what you think about this. Leave a comment.